my channel. My name is Alia Makhijani Kumar. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And today's video is about a facial which I'm going to do at home in front of y'all with y'all. So as we all know, festival season is upcoming and we have to get ourselves groomed and ready for it. So which is why मैं घर पर facial करने वाली हूँ जो है ये Lotus Herbals का. So it is Lotus Herbals Radiant Gold Revitalizing Effect for a great skin glow, cellular glow facial kit. All skin types के लिए है. It also says 100% 24 karat gold guaranteed. एंड इसके रिव्यूज नायका पर बहुत ही अच्छे थे. मुझे नायका पर ये सेल में मिला था 257 रुपीज़ का एंड इसकी रियल MRP प्राइस है 325 रुपीज़. सो आज हम इसको ट्राई करने वाले हैं, देखने वाले हैं कि ये जो बिफोर है इसमें कुछ डिफरेंस आता है या नहीं. सो दिस वन हैज 4 स्टेप्स. First step is cleansing scrub, which is Radiant Gold Cleansing Scrub. It helps in cleaning and boosting the radiance of your face and brightens up by deep cleansing the skin and removing dead cells. Then second step is Radiant Gold Activator, which is unique and revolutionary gold activator designed to carry and dissolve 24 karat pure gold leaves into the inner layers of the skin. It encourages cell turnover and maintains skin's elasticity without making the skin dry or rough. Third is Radiant Gold Massage Creme with gold leaves, an ultra luxurious massage cream enriched with gold leaf particles. Revives the inner layers of skin, replenishes and restores radiance. The fourth step is Radiant Gold Mask, which is a unique brightening gold mask which reverses the oxidation damage to the inner layers, gives skin gold-like radiance and revitalizing effect. So these are the 4 steps in this package and we are going to do them right now in front of you and see how it changes something or no for my skin. By the way, मैंने कुछ भी स्किन केयर नहीं किया हुआ है, ना ही कुछ मेकअप डाला हुआ है. My skin is completely raw right now in front of you. This is how it is. And my skin is a combination of oily and dry. So morning में when I wake up, my T-zone is mostly oily. यहाँ पर भी थोड़ा थोड़ा oil रहता है, but इतना ज़्यादा नहीं. तो this is anyway for all skin types. So I'm not very worried about it because I've usually used it at home. मैंने 2 different variations already use किए हुए हैं घर पर जो बहुत ही अच्छे थे. This is my first time I'm using this particular one. So let's start with the process. The first step is this Lotus Herbals Cleansing Scrub. इसमें 10 ग्राम्स प्रोडक्ट दिया हुआ है तो मैं अभी इसको आधा यूज करने वाली हूँ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज आधा बचा हुआ नेक्स्ट टाइम. यहाँ पे कट आउट दिया हुआ है. जस्ट गोइंग टू ओपन इट फ्रॉम हियर. द डायरेक्शंस टू यूज दिस इज ऑल्सो गिवन एट द बैक ऑफ दिस बॉक्स. It says step 1, gently apply cleansing scrub on moistened skin in circular movements on the face and neck. Rinse thoroughly or clean with the moist cotton. So I have my cotton ready here. I have some water with me here. I'm going to just wet my face right now. Clean पानी रखा है मैंने. And of course मैंने face wash करके रखा है. Like मैंने सिर्फ पानी से wash किया है. आज मैंने face wash भी use नहीं किया है. पूरा गीला कर दिया है मैंने अपने स्किन को. थोड़ा और डैम्प कर देते हैं. Now taking some of the product in my hands. It's a thick consistency. This is the scrub. Mix it on my hands. Circular motion. Do not forget your nose because that's where the black and the white heads come out. Even the temples of your head. The neck. The back of your neck is also extremely important. Clean, clean, clean. Just use a little droplets of water. Mix it again. So I'm going to keep doing this for next 3 to 4 minutes. Just scrub your face thoroughly. So there are very thin scrub particles in this cleansing scrub, which are helping me remove all the gunk from my dust from my face. Now I've done this for 2 minutes. I'm going to remove this with the help of moist cotton. So this is my cotton ball. I'm going to open it. I've dipped it in the water. Taking another cotton ball. All the gunk is out. I've kept a clean towel here. I'm going to use this towel and wipe my face because cotton is really not helping. It's taking too much time. Just dampen my towel slightly. I'm going to wipe my face. So our step 1 is done and I feel really nice. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से स्क्रब किया है मैंने, बहुत टाइम के बाद मैंने अपने फेस पे कुछ अच्छे से किया है. Of course मैं स्किन केयर रेगुलर करती हूँ but क्लीनिंग फेशियल बहुत टाइम से नहीं करवाया, तो this is feeling really good. The second step is this activator with 24 karat gold leaves. I have to take 5 to 7 drops of the activator, apply on my face and massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Without wiping, follow the next step. तो मुझे बिना निकाले थर्ड स्टेप फॉलो करना है. इसमें लिखा है 5 to 7 drops. I'm going to open this the same way. Five to 7 drops. Again, I'm going to take, this is 7 grams of product in this. I'm going to take 5 to 7 drops as per what they've said. This is how it looks like. You can see there are gold particles in it. I'm just going to rub it in my palms like this. They've written we have to keep massaging it. I'm just going to do that on the back of my neck as well. Whenever you're applying any cream or any product on your face, always make sure you're doing it upwards motion, because otherwise skin sag होने लगता है, so you have to be very careful. This is one of the best exercises in face yoga. So you just have to take your hands like this, L shape में. यहाँ पर रखो in the middle of your face and slowly do this. So take it from under your eyes. Even if you take it over your eyes, be careful that you do not go inside your eyes. This way. Very gently massage all over your neck and your face. Time. So within 3 minutes of massaging the product in my face, it's all absorbed in my skin. Now we're going to move on to the third step without wiping our face, which is what is written on the second step. The third step is this massage cream. Now this one is with again 24 karat gold leaves, We have to apply massage cream and gently massage all over face, neck in circular motion. Reapply frequently. Continue massage for around 10 to 15 minutes for best results. Remove cream if any with damp cloth. तो अगर कुछ क्रीम बच जाती है मसाज करने के बाद 10 से 15 मिनट बोला है बेस्ट रिजल्ट के लिए. 10 से 15 मिनट तो मुझसे होने नहीं वाला है. मैं एटलीस्ट 5 मिनट्स भी कर लूँ बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. तो आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस एंड देन आफ्टर दैट अगर क्रीम बच गई फेस पर जो मसाज अंदर नहीं हुई है अब्जॉर्ब, आई विल रिमूव दैट विद अ डैम्प क्लॉथ. ओपनिंग इट द सेम वे. कितना लेना है इसमें लिखा नहीं है कितना लेना है, तो आई विल जस्ट टेक हाफ द पैकेट. अगेन दिस इज सिमिलर कंसिस्टेंसी टू द स्क्रब, थिक. बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं ले लिया, आई थिंक मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ले लिया. दिस इज अ क्रीम. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही ले लिया. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रब इट ऑफ स्लाइटली एंड देन कम बैक. थोड़ा सा टेकिंग वाटर इन माई हैंड्स बिकॉज इट्स सो थिक. आई जस्ट कांट मूव इट प्रॉपरली ऑन माई फेस. आई थिंक इतनी थिक है इसके लिए दे वर सेइंग कि अगर कुछ बच जाता है मसाज करने के बाद भी जस्ट रिमूव इट विद द कॉटन बिकॉज ये बहुत ईजिली अब्जॉर्ब होने वाली नहीं है. इट्स वेरी वेरी थिक. Just removing the excess cream, whatever is left over. The last step is this mask. It says apply a generous amount of the mask on the face and neck. After the mask dries, rinse thoroughly or remove with a moist cotton pat dry. So we're going to do this fourth step now. Since I've kept all the steps का पैकेट्स हाफ हाफ रखा है मैंने, तो मुझे इसमें से भी ट्राई करके हाफ बचाना है. Now we have to leave it on till this dries out and then I have to just wipe it. So I'm going to wait for that for a few minutes and you just have to wait for it for a second, and here's the glow. So this is it. I think there's quite a lot of difference in my face from before and after now. It's kind of radiant and glowy. This is what it claims to do. So I'm very happy about it and I'm very happy with the results that I have. You let me know in the comments what do you think, and if you have ever used this or no, and if you think it's a waste of money or do you think you appreciate this kind of a facial at home more than going to a parlor, which is what I do. I don't really enjoy going to the parlor. I love doing this at home. So yeah, this is it for my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you all soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.